The sources that I really like seeing and listening to are those people who aren't necessarily going with the trends, but they are looking at the best athletes, the freak athletes that we often write off and say, oh, they're just a freak, whatever, who cares? They can do whatever they want. And saying, okay, well, what is it that makes that freak athlete good?
If you want to really dig down to the features, you will notice that elite athletes, they have calluses or blisters on top of their toes. Also, the prominence of the anterior tibial tendon. And in some cases, when they press down their foot, you also can notice the prominence of the extensor tendons on top of the foot. Now, on the bottom of the foot, there's distinct areas of impact. The impact is on the metatarsal. It should be aligned on the second with the second area of the second toe. Also, like if you were to touch the toes of the elite athlete, they're like clouds, very, very stiff. It's not soft at all.